Hello and welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. In this video, we're going to be covering how to revert back to old code and how to back it up when you're constantly working on new things on your website. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see here, I got the theme.liquid code pulled up, and what I'm going to be showing is I'm going to be showing this syntax error that you usually get when you forget some brackets or whatever it is. So I'm going to go and delete this and just hit save. And this is the error that I'm getting. So now there's two ways to fix this problem. So the first method, which I recommend every new person at coding, is to open up Notepad, or I usually like to use Notepad++. It looks something like this. And before I do any code edits, what I usually do is, so let's just revert the code back to that. I copy the code that I am using, and I'm pasting it into the notepad, and then I can just do whatever I want to do to the code, right? So let's just take a look here if it changed anything. Yep, something is totally off. So the great thing about the method that I just showed you, I can just go back, copy all of this, paste this back, and let's take a quick look. Oh, there you go, perfect. All right, now another way we could do this is, for example, is if we do the same thing and take this out and hit save. Let's just go back and see. So everything is kind of funky again. Shopify has a great little tool up at the top here. If you look at where it says theme.liquidCurrent, and if we go to the most recent save, which was the previous one which worked, you can just click on this, hit save, and if you take a look at your store now, there you go. That's pretty much the whole tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If I helped you guys out, please hit the like button and subscribe.